Hey guys, it's Mary here and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a wash and go using the Suave Professionals line for natural hair, and I have all the products in the collection and I'm going to be doing like my full wash day routine into a wash and go. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this, then keep on watching. So this is what my hair is looking like at the end of the week. It is very dry, it's time to wash it. So to start off the wash day process, obviously I wet my hair to get it ready to be shampooed. So the shampoo in this collection is a sulfate-free cleansing shampoo, and I go in with just like 2 or 3 pumps of that for my first cleanse, because I wash my hair or shampoo my hair twice. The first time is to just like lift all of the products off of my scalp, and then the second time is to like actually cleanse my hair. This is what works best for me, and this is just how I wash my hair, so I do that from the roots all the way down to my ends. After shampooing, I go in with the moisturizing curl conditioner, and this conditioner is very thick and creamy. I love it. I go in with a lot throughout my entire head of hair because I don't want my hair to dry out. Then I put my hair into smaller sections because I have to detangle. So once my hair is dripping wet, this conditioner is creamy enough for me to finger detangle, and this is how much hair I lost from that one section after finger detangling. After detangling all of my sections, I wash the conditioner out and go on to styling. So to get my hair really defined, the first product I use is the cream detangler spray, and I just spray that throughout my entire section and rake it through. Then I use the Nourish and Strengthen leave-in conditioner, and this is just to moisturize my hair. Again, applying the products and raking it through, like I get the best results from raking. Then I use the Curl Defining Cream, and I pay a lot of attention here because I need to coat my strands enough for them to clump together before going in with the Define and Shine Serum Gel, and this just, I don't know, freezes it all into place. Once I rake everything through, it's like my curls stay put. So I have a lot of different techniques for my wash and goes, and it's all dependent on like the type of products that I use and how many different products I'm using as well. So if I'm using a lot of products that are very creamy, raking the products through works best for me because I get to blend the products into my hair properly and make sure that all of my strands are coated. So after applying all of my products, I like to shake my hair, and this just helps lift it up from my roots because, as you could tell, like my hair looks very flat after applying all of the products because it is very heavy. And I just kind of do the praying hand method to work the rest of products through. So I have been air drying for a really long time. By the way, if you all are hearing noise in the background, it's because rain is falling. I can't really help that. But I've been air drying for a really long time, and this is what my hair looks like. I would say my hair is like 90% dry. It's not wet, but it's cold, and that could be because it's kind of cold outside as well, like it has been raining. But yeah, it's not allowing my hair to like dry properly as compared to if it was like, you know, warm weather. But I really love my results, and I don't like pick my hair out or anything like that because I want my wash and go to last. And the last time I did a wash and go using the Suave products, I was able to let it last for almost over 10 days. So I'll put a picture of, I think, my second day wash and go, and then my 10th day wash and go. It's so defined and it's so soft. I just wanted to quickly run through the products and give you like a mini review and tell you guys like what I think and how I think you all should use them. So let's start with the shampoo and the conditioner. So the sulfate-free cleansing shampoo, it gently cleanses and moisturizes. So this shampoo has a really weird consistency. It's really thin, and when it says that it's gentle, it is really gentle. Like, I probably had to pump like 4 pumps of this lathers in my hair and continuously going for more, which is like a good thing and a bad thing. It's a good thing because it is gentle, but it's a bad thing because I guess you'll be using a lot of product. Let me see if I could show you. So like, this is where this shampoo reach, and I probably used it like 5 times. This never happens. Then okay, so like the conditioner, this is the moisturizing curl conditioner, and this detangles, softens and enhances curls. So this is a really creamy and really moisturizing. I love the conditioner a lot, and once you like detangle your hair on wet, once you detangle on wet hair, you could easily finger detangle. It was so good. So I really loved this. I think like that is one of my favorite products on the line. So now moving on to the Nourish and Strengthen Leave-In Conditioner. This is another one of my favorites because it's really lightweight. Like the product itself, the consistency is really I guess runny and thin. So you can see like it just slides like straight off out of the jar, and I love lightweight products. Like, it just melts right into my hair, and this leave-in conditioner also provides a lot of slip, so when I'm like going through my hair, I could rake my fingers through it like really easily, and I love that. And I think I said it's moisturizing. It's really moisturizing as well. The cream detangler spray, I know my bottle looks really deformed, but I have to like grip it. So yeah, the cream detangler spray, I would use this to like refresh my hair, or like when I'm doing a wash and go, to like spray the section before I go in with my products. I wouldn't say it's like a spray leave-in conditioner. It doesn't say that, but I know a lot of persons use these kind of products as a spray leave-in conditioner. I think that it would require a lot of sprays to actually like moisturize your hair if you're using it that way. I think this is more for like refreshing your hair, or like misting it lightly, dampening it, so that you could move on to your next step. So like with this wash and go, after say 4 days, if I have like huge parts that are like really frizzy, I could just like go in and like smooth it through, and that would work, instead of like trying to saturate my entire head of hair with product to like moisturize it. I don't think it would work for that. But I really like this as well, but it's not like my oh my god, this is so amazing kind of product. Then it's the Curl Defining Cream, and this says, oh, did I so this detangles on wet hair and calms frizz on dry hair. So now with the Curl Defining Cream, it enhances your natural curl pattern with softness and shine. So I think that this is the reason why my hair looks the way that it looks. The leave-in conditioner is really lightweight, so although it does moisturize my hair, it doesn't it doesn't give me that super defined look. But in combination with this, it really did the job. Like, you could see how defined my hair looks. But I like it. It's a thick product, but not like deep conditioner thick. So it's just a little step away from the leave-in conditioner. So I don't know, it's thick, but it's still, it's thicker than the leave-in conditioner, but it's still lightweight. Now after that, my favorite product. Now when I heard about this product, I was like, what is this? What is this supposed to do? But I think that Suave really came through with this product because this is amazing. So this is the Define, I'm so sorry about the rain, but it's the Define and Shine Serum Gel, and this doesn't give you the crunchy feeling. I know I said my hair had a bit of crunch, but it's not necessarily a gel class crunch, it's just I have a lot of products in my hair kind of crunch. This defined my hair without giving it the crunchy feeling, without flaking, but it left my hair really silky and smooth. Like, you have to use it to understand what I'm talking about, but this, I used this on my 3-strand twister as well, and it worked great. So I feel like this is going to be a product that I could use with other products and still love it just as much. So this is the Define and Shine Serum Gel. And yeah, those are all of the products. I really like this line. My favorite product is actually this. Even though it's like the rarest product out of all of them, like this is my favorite product. And the thing about this line, it's like really affordable, so you don't have to worry about breaking the bank. It's natural hair approved. So this entire collection was co-created with, I think, 5,000 natural hair women, and I guess they gave their input and said the things that they wanted in a natural hair line, and I guess Suave put all of those things together and created this collection. And this line is made with shea butter and coconut oil, so the ingredients are also good for your hair. Yeah, like if you're on a budget, this is a really good line for you. The rain wouldn't let me live. I really hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me comments and let me know what other videos y'all want to see. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'll be making more videos. Also, if you aren't following me on my social media platforms, then I'll leave the links to that in the description bar down below. But that's all for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.